Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our KD99 Watch Ultra or KD99 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, this is also an S8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, and of course, as you can see here, a Watch 8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so different brand, different name, just the same wearable. Okay, so this time we are going to check on the watch face of the smartwatch, and of course additional downloadable watch face for the S8 Ultra. Okay, can we add a custom watch face? Can we download additional watch face? Let's see in this video tutorial. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are now ready. I'm excited to see whether we do have a good or comprehensive list of watch faces for the S8 Ultra smartwatch or the KD99 smartwatch. So let's see. So at first, let's check the contents or the preloaded watch faces in this wearable. So you can use the the crown button here, or you can swipe on the screen. Again, let's start. Okay, so let's go with the default one. Let's start with the default. Okay, we have it here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 I think, or 5 watch faces. This almost have the same watch faces with the previous one. Okay, let's see this one. I don't know, it's like the same with the first one here. Okay, we have at least 5. Okay, again, so let's start with this one again. Let's verify: 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. We have at least 6. So this is different one. Okay, so this is also a, so they all almost have the same look here. I guess it's different. I just don't know if what is the difference. Okay, but we have at least 5 to 6 watch faces preloaded to the smartwatch. Okay, so do we have additional watch faces? So it is using the HRYFine application. So let's see. Okay, so we are already connected. We are paired with the support app. So let's check if there are additional watch faces for the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here change theme. Okay, so let's check this one. Okay, theme 1 and theme 2. So we have here the dial. Okay, so we have here categories. We have my dial, dial mall, and do it yourself dial. So that is the custom watch face. Let's go first with the dial mall. Okay, just tap on it and it's now loading the different watch faces available for our smartwatch. Okay, so we have new product listing. Okay, let's see. Seems like it's all free. Okay, so Christmas theme and New Year theme watch faces. Okay, so we have some cartoon like watch faces. We have analog type watch faces, digital watch faces. So let's scroll. Okay, so we have a comprehensive list of watch faces here. Okay, let's go for the analog. Okay, I like this one. Okay, let's try this one. So this is free. I don't know, maybe this has a price, I don't know. Okay, so tap on it. Okay, bright yellow. So just less than 1 MB as you can see here. Okay, so let's change this one. Redeem now. Okay, use immediately. Okay, so let's see. It's now being pushed to our smartwatch. Okay, whoa, that was fast. Okay, beautiful color here. Very bright. I like the style here of the watch face. Okay, well, let's go back. Okay, recommended. Let's check. Okay, so we have a lot of watch faces here. Okay, I don't know if seems like it's just the same with new product listing. So we have analog, digital watch faces. Can we change the time here? Okay, or do we have an option? Okay, let me check first. Okay, phone book, about, device settings, synchronize time. Okay, okay, I don't see any option for the 12-hour format time here. Maybe it's in the smartwatch. Okay, but so far here it's not available in the support app. Or maybe I missed something. I'm going to check it later on. Okay, let's go back to the dial settings. Okay, dial mall. And let's download additional watch faces. Okay. Okay, let's pick this one. Tap on it. All neon lights. Redeem now. Okay, so you need the balance as you can see here. So this is not free. Okay, let's look for a free watch face. Okay, let's try this one. A colorful watch face. Redeemed now. Congratulations. Use immediately. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so far no issues with downloading, except that some of the watch faces are for sale. Okay, but when it comes to synchronization or downloading of watch faces, it's all okay. Okay, very easy. So as you can see here, we have the section for downloaded watch faces. Okay, let's check the custom watch face. Okay, so select picture. Okay, select picture here. Let's go with our camera roll. Select. Okay, so we are done. Check. Okay, so this is our watch face. And now as you can see, we have the watch face. You can change the color of the time. Okay, you can also change the location. Okay, so if you think it's okay now, you're done. Save and use. Okay, so let's see. It's now downloading. Hopefully we will not have we it will be smooth sailing and will not encounter any issues with the downloading. Okay, so it works. Okay, so custom watch face for your S8 Ultra smartwatch as well as the KD99 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so far no issues. Okay, everything is okay except that we do have a uh, 24-hour format time here. Okay, so seems like we don't have an option here. Okay, do we have an option? Okay, I'm still looking for it. Style, about, restore, So seems like we don't have an option for the 24-hour format time. Okay, so I will let you know if we found one, or if we found the option for setting the 12-hour format time. Okay, so far we don't see it here. Okay, stopwatch style. Okay, about here on top. So no option for the 12-hour format time so far. But anyways, the watch face, downloading of watch face. Okay, maybe the time here depends on the watch face. Okay, but so far downloading of the watch face as well as the custom watch face works well with the HRYFine app with our S8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.